was wanting to do a song where it celebrates being a mother, and two different communities. You have a Buddhist community, you have a Islamic community, you have Indian community. So it's a combination of that and going beyond man-made walls. And so if you watch that song Zaria, I think, which is beautifully written by Prasan Joshi, it has that emotion. I think we kind of captured that.
খুশিয়া পরিবে রঙ্গিলা ডালানের মাটি গোসাই যে কোন রঙে বাল্য না কাল গেল দিনালে নাদার বনে গোসাই যে কোন রঙে দিনে দিনে
I think it gives us a chance to get access to our traditional musical heritage that India has. All thanks to all the talented people here on stage. Big fan of Madari, so great. Looking forward to his next track. And as I said, I think all of us are pretty confused of what kind of music we're gonna like in the future. I think we don't have the access or the know-how to that what kind of instruments that they can play or what kind of sounds that we have in India, in our country.
And right now when you were watching the videos, I just felt like I was like at a mini concert. There's so many different artists getting to play, and we don't have to go on actually, we don't have the access to so many concerts, but here we can just watch it on TV. So, and that's really great.
Music is something that you can enjoy wherever you are in the country, whatever language or whatever culture it comes from. And I think just listening to A.R. Sir's track right now, it didn't